Digvijay Singh ji, the time is over. It is not going on record. I can't help it. So, motion of thanks on the President's address. Motion of thanks on the President's address. Shri, प्लीज तो रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा. प्लीज संजय सिंह, प्लीज आप अपना सीट पे जाइए. प्लीज, यू आर गोइंग टू स्पीक. You are going to speak on this. I will not allow this. I will not allow this. I have to name you, Sanjay. Please go. Please, आप अपना सीट में जाइए. आपका मौका आएगा. बोलिए उस समय. हाउस को डिस्टर्ब करके आप नुकसान पहुंचाने के मारिए. वही किसान का ही होने वाले. Please, this is not going on record. This is not going on record. This is not going on record, not to be shown, not to be recorded. This is not the way one person disturbing the house and not allowing discussion to take place, including on farmers. Nay, Gupta ji, please go. Both of you go to your seats. Both of you go to your seats, please. Please, please. ये तो नहीं जाएगा. ये तो किसान का बहस हो रहे हैं, आप इसको विरोध कर रहे हैं. मैं क्या करूं? आप both of you please go to your seat. Please go to your seats. What is this? Ghulam Nabi ji. Please, Ghulam Nabi ji. Ajay ji, are we helpless?
And by what we have decided.
Please go to your seat. Please go to your seat. Otherwise, I have to name three of you. You are not doing anything good to the Kisans. You are hurting their interest by stopping the discussion. We are going to discuss President's address and also farmers' issues. You will not get chance. No, I have to name you. Please don't test my patience. ये तानाशाही नहीं चलेगा. पूरा हाउस बहस करना चाहते हैं. आप तीन लोग आके इसको डिस्टर्ब करें. I have only two ways. Name them, send them out, or otherwise suspend, adjourn the house. No discussion is allowed. Everybody should go to their respective seats. Sit down. Honorable members, I am compelled to use Rule 255, withdrawal of member. The chairman may direct any member whose conduct is in his opinion grossly disorderly to withdraw immediately from the council, and any member so ordered to withdraw shall do so forthwith and shall absent himself during the remainder of the day's meeting. Shri Sanjay Singh, Shri Sushil Kumar Gupta, Shri N.D. Gupta. All of these three members are named as per the Rule 255. Please withdraw from the house. Please withdraw from the house. Please, 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 please go out of the house. They wanted discussion. When the discussion is going to begin, they obstruct the house. Let the entire country watch this. And this is the behavior of people who want to rule and who are ruling in certain parts of the country. This is not fair for anybody, for any party. I am not naming any party. The house is adjourned to meet at 9:40.